These 2 days, many Android users found out that their apps kept crashing and couldn't get loaded. Just like this. But luckily, after searching on Twitter and Reddit, I found an easy way to get this issue solved. Let's check it out. The reason your apps keep crashing do have something to do with this app called Android System WebView. Here are 2 ways to uninstall its update. You can go to Google Play Store and search for Android System WebView. Here it is. What you need to do is to tap on uninstall, and everything will be alright. You can also go to Settings and Apps and find the Android System WebView. Then tap on the 3-dot button on the top right and uninstall updates. And go on with the OK button. No matter which method you use, after uninstall the updates, you need to restart your Android. When it reboots, you will find that this time, all the apps become normal. That's it. But if you didn't install this before but your apps still keep crashing, you can consider to use Reiboot for Android to repair your Android system. It can also fix apps crashing issue. You can find the download link in description below. So all you need to do is to connect your Android to your computer. Then select Repair Android System to get your phone fixed. Sooner the issue will get solved. Okay, so this is the tutorial of how to fix Android apps keep crashing. Very simple to get it done. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a thumb up. I'll be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for the next